strong legs to run so fast, like a speedy cheetah that just zoomed past. Run, 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 get out of the way. Run fast in place, hop your arms and legs. We can skip like a goat on a hill. It gives my wiggles a happy thrill. Skip, 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 now don't you crash.
Pretend to skip with a dash.
We twist and shout and jump and hop. Our amazing bodies never stop. Wiggle and zoom and wiggle some more. Let's see the funny ways we explore. We can reach our hands way up high, like we're trying to tickle the big blue sky. Stretch and stretch, can you touch the clouds?
Stretch tall and look around.
We can sink our bodies down low, like a silly little worm in a row. Squish and crunch like a pancake flat.
Drop into a deep squat just like that.
We twist and shout and jump and hop. Our amazing bodies never stop. Wiggle and zoom and wiggle some more. Let's see the funny ways we explore. We can crawl like a baby bear, wiggling through the room without a care. Crawl, 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 don't lose your shoe.
Crawl on hands and knees.
Whee! We can shake our hips like wobbly jelly, making silly sounds from our happy belly. Wiggle and jiggle, can you shake your toes?
Wiggle your whole body like a hose.
We twist and shout and jump and hop. Our amazing bodies never stop. Wiggle and zoom and wiggle some more. Let's see the funny ways we explore. Let's stand like a pink flamingo bird. Balancing is fun, I've heard the word. One leg up and hold it tight.
Try to stand on one foot.
Now run like a crazy silly flea, then freeze when you count to 3. Run, 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 then 1, 2, 3.
Run fast in place, then freeze like a statue.
Our bodies move in a magical way. We can change our shape every day. We're strong and fast and funny and true, wiggling and giggling, me and you.